Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to balance your motorcycle wheels on your motorcycle. You can take them off or leave them on, it doesn't really matter. That's not quite straight. Just let her find the heavy spot, should go at the bottom. Right about there. I'm going to go back this way a little bit, see if it goes down and goes down. It definitely goes down right there. So I'm going to go here, goes down a little bit, and goes down a little bit. So right there's the heavy spot. So I got an ounce of weight here, stick on. I'm just going to stick it on here. And I'll go side to side. Still a little heavy there. I'm going to put more weights on here. It's going to add another half ounce here. Still a little bit. Another half ounce. There you go. Perfect. Yep. There you go. Now I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna buy some fishing weights and get 1 ounce and stick them on the spokes. Lift your motorcycle up and see where your wheel stops. That'd be your heavy end. Yeah, right there. So that's your heavy end. So you add your weights here. Then rotate it 90 degrees. See if it goes back this way, and keep adding weights. And then after you're done, figure out how much ounces you're out. And then I buy fishing weights because you can just tag them on your spokes, and then you can do the same to your front. You don't have to take the wheel off. All right, if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.